Periodic cleaning of shell and tube heat exchangers is essential to maintain proper heat transfer and restore process efficiency, heat duty, and differential pressure. Eliminating scale and fouling also allows exchangers to be inspected using the best possible inspection method, and it helps assure successful outcomes. With so much on the line, you need the best possible results from your cleaning process. That's why USA DeBusk pioneered multi-stage cleaning with VBX Plus exchanger polishing. It's the safe, efficient, automated solution to clean your exchangers to OEM condition. The process begins with our automated bundle cleaning system. It allows a single operator to hydroblast the OD of exchanger tube bundles at pressures up to 20,000 psi. The operator controls all movements of the system from a climate-controlled station, making bundle cleaning safe, fast, and efficient. The same system also hydroblasts the ID of up to 5 exchanger tubes at a time. The lance stroke distance is fully programmable, allowing it to clean different length bundles. The system is self-sufficient and requires no external power or air supply. For a higher level of cleaning, USA DeBusk offers our exclusive VBX Plus exchanger polishing. VBX Plus is a proprietary vapor blasting process in which abrasive media is mixed with water, direct injected under pneumatic pressure into an airstream, and then discharged through triple head injector nozzles. The VBX Plus system consists of a water and abrasive mix pot, a high-precision indexer, a triple head with injection nozzles, and a control system where a single operator oversees cleaning. The system is compact, highly mobile, simple to set up, and safe for other nearby crafts. And the process is fully automated, providing precision cleaning and high productivity. Here's what happens as the VBX Plus system cleans the ID of your exchanger tubes. The VBX Plus control system allows fine-tuning of flow rates and abrasive concentrations for optimum results. The vapor and abrasive stream removes carbon, scale, and process contaminants, polishing the ID of tubes to bare metal and preparing them for eddy and iris testing. Best of all, the process protects metallurgy as it removes contaminants. To restore heat transfer and achieve a higher level of cleaning, choose automated heat exchanger cleaning with VBX Plus polishing. Only from USA DeBusk.